Welcome to Wizard.com. This is Ashwini, Maths tutor. Our question is, along a highway, there are electric poles on one side of the highway and telegraph poles on the other side. The electric poles are separated by 6 meters and the telegraph poles are separated by 20 meters. If an electric and a telegraph poles are both present at the point where the highway begins, after how much distance along the highway will they both be in front of each other? Firstly, the distance between electric poles is given by 6 meters, okay? And the distance between the telegraph poles is 20 meters. So, both the poles will be in front of each other again after the distance of that distance will be least common multiple of 6 meters and 20 meters. Okay. Then by prime factorization, six can be written as 2 into 3, okay, and 20 can be written as 2 into 2 into 5. So the least common multiple of 6 and 20 is, firstly the highest power of 2 is 2, then 3 as it is and 5 as it is, okay. So the multiplication of this is 60. Hence, after 60 meter, they both pole be in front of each other again, okay. That is, our answer is 60 meter.